procured 13 Bolero vehicles, the flag office today. So we've had a shortage of vehicles, as you know, and there was a lot of difficulty. We were hiring vehicles, taking vehicles from other departments. So today, I don't think we're going to have any more problems, and I think each vehicle will be dispatched to different areas. So everybody should be able to move around, and I think get their work done also quickly. No more excuses anymore that there were no vehicles and couldn't go for inspection to do various other things. So we're working out also a mechanism where we can fill out some posts which are vacant. So that will also happen. I can understand that it's a little difficult because due to the shortage of staff. But we are working on that and we'll do that soon. The first time that I came here, these problems are highlighted and PWD is supposed to be doing the work. So PWD looks after the building, the maintenance of the building, and the file is cleared from our side and it's with PWD and work is actually going on. See, the problem is with the toilets. They had sensors for the flushing system. That is not supposed to be. You can't have sensors in a building like this where it's being used. Like so many people come, public use the toilet so much or the washrooms, and I think the sensors failed and were very expensive to replace it also. To replace it and put sensors back again. So that's the only reason it took some time, but work is going on now. Almost.
See, we have to understand it's a continuous process. When we live in a house, आज एक चीज खराब होती है, कल दूसरी चीज खराब होती है. So other things also we keep writing to PWD. Then of course estimate pass होता है, काम शुरू होता है. Continuously चल रहा है. There are a lot of things in the background which don't come out, but rest be assured that all things are being looked into and taken care of. चीज़ों में टाइम लगता है, चल रहा है.
This problem facing for last 7 years now.
कोई बात नहीं. Yes, yes. Of the government, and we've been assured that this will be soon. So jaldi hi it should be taken care of.
Madam, we gathered that you opposed the Bhumiputra bill, you raised some queries and you have raised some doubts. Are you still continuing with this fear? Are you still hearing about this bill?
The question about being cheerful, that is another point altogether. My whole thing was that the bill should have been discussed further and then brought up for the next assembly session. So I did make a few notings, and this was the last what I ended it with, that it should be put for discussion and brought up for the next assembly session if everyone was in favor of it.
So still, you are still have some fear that has to be cleared up, right?
Yeah, CM has now put it for public opinion, and I'm sure he'll take the right decision once. And there's a lot of opposition also coming up against the bill, so I'm sure he will look into that and take the proper decision.
Now, what could be the meaning?
I will not go point wise, but I just like I said earlier, I wanted it to be discussed furthermore and then brought up if everything was okay.